Hello students, Namaste, Ellargu Namaskara. Today we are going to discussing about concentration method like molarity. Molarity is the one of the concentration method for solution. Okay, now we are going to discuss about that definition for the molarity. The definition of molarity is the number of moles of solute present in 1 liter or 1000 ml of solution. 1000 ml of solution is called molarity. So it is denoted by capital M. It is denoted by capital M. Molarity is equal to number of moles of solute by volume of the solution. So molarity capital M is equal to N by V. Here M is the molarity, N is the number of moles of solute, V is the volume of the solution in liters. Okay, look here, number of moles N is equal to M into V. Okay. Number of moles N is equal to weight of solute by molecular weight of solute. That means N is equal to W by MW. So this value substitute in this equation, we can get the molarity formula. Okay. Molarity M is equal to number of moles of solute by volume of the solution in liters. Do you know that N is equal to number of moles into weight of solute by molecular weight of the solute. So this value substitute here, we can get the formula of the molarity. M is equal to weight by molecular weight of solute into 1 by V in liters. This is the formula for molarity. Okay, formula or molarity M is equal to weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by volume of solution in ml. This is another formula for molarity. They have two formulas are there. One is molarity m is equal to weight of solute by molecular weight of the solute into 1 by volume of solution in liters. One more formula is there in terms of mLs. Molarity m is equal to weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by volume of solution in milliliters. Okay. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about formulas for molarities. Formulas for molarities. Formulas for molarity. Look here. First formula, formula 1. Molarity capital M is equal to number of moles by volume of solution in liters. And second one, molarity M is equal to weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1 by volume of solution in liters. And third formula for molarity, molarity M is equal to weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by volume of solution in ms. Now we are going to discuss fourth formula. Formula 4. Formula molarity M is equal to X into density into 10 by X into density into 10 by molecular weight of solute. Molecular weight of solute. Here x small x is weight by volume percentage. Weight of solute by volume of the solution percentage. D is density of the solution. Density of solution. Density of solution. X is weight by volume percentage of solute. Here D is the density of the solution. Okay. Next fifth formula. Molarity M is equal to X into specific gravity into 10 by molecular weight of solute. Molecular weight of solute. Here specific gravity means is the ratio in between density of solution to the density of water. So specific gravity is equal to density of solution by density of water. Once again listen, specific gravity is the ratio in between the density of solution by density of water. X is the weight by volume percentage of solute. Okay. Next, formula 6 is for dilute solutions. Number of moles of before the dilution is equal to number of moles of after the dilution. N1 is equal to N2. Do you know that number of moles N is equal to molarity into volume? So here number of moles before the dilution N1 is equal to number of moles after the dilution. Look here, M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. For dilute solutions, M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. Okay. Next formula 7. For mixtures, the resultant molarity capital M is equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V1 plus V2. This is the formula for mixture solutions. Okay, guys. Okay, these 7 are formulas for the molarity wise. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the units for molarity. All of you know that molarity M is equal to number of moles of solute by volume of the solution. So M is equal to the units of molarity. M is equal to moles per milliliter or capital M. Okay. So these are the units for molarity. What is the units of molarity? Moles per liter or capital M. One more important point here. The molarity of the solution can be depends on temperature. Molarity of the solution depends on the temperature. That means molarity decreases with increase the temperature. Molarity of the solution decreases. Molarity of the solution decreases with increase the temperature. Increase the temperature because the molarity of the solution can depends on volume of the solution, but molarity of the solution does not depends on temperature. That's why molarity and mole fraction is the independent of the temperature. Molarity and normality, they can depends on temperature. Okay, molarity decreases with increase the temperatures. That's why molarity can depends on temperature. Now we are going to discuss problems based on molarity. So first problem here. Calculate molarity of the solution when 4 grams of NaOH solution in 500 ml of solutions. Here we can calculate molarity of the solutions. So first we have to write the data. First we have to write the given data for the problem. First, so weight of the solute. So weight of NaOH. Here NaOH acts as a solute. Weight of NaOH is 4 grams. Next, molecular weight of NaOH is, how to calculate molecular weight of NaOH? The molecular weight of NaOH is the sum of the atomic weight of all elements in NaOH. So atomic weight of Na 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1, totally 40 grams. This is the molecular weight for NaOH. Next, volume of the solution. Volume of the solution is 500 ml. Then molarity capital M is equal to, weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by volume in ml. So all the data substitute in this formula, we can get the answer. M is equal to capital M is molarity. Weight of the solute, how much is given? 4. Molecular weight of solute 40 into 1000 by volume of solution 500 ml. 20 cancel, 0 cancel, 4 cancel. Here 1 by 5, 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 means how much? Hmm. 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2 moles per liter. This is the answer for given question, or 2 capital M. This is the second problem for molarity. The problem is, how much amount of NaOH is required to prepare 0.1 m NaOH solution in 100 ml of distilled waters. Here we can find out weight of the NaOH solution. Understand how much amount of NaOH solution required to prepare 0.1 molarity NaOH solution in 100 ml of distilled waters. In these problems, we can find out the weight of the NaOH solutions. So in this problem, first we have to write given data. First, molarity of the solutions. Molarity of the solution. Molarity of the solution. M is equal to 0.1 capital M. Next, volume of water. Volume of distilled water is equal to 100 ml. Okay. Next, weight of solute, which is the solute here, NaOH. Weight of NaOH is question mark. Molecular weight of NaOH is equal to 23 plus 16 plus 1, that is 40. So do you know that formula for molarity? Molarity M is equal to weight of solute by molecular weight of solute into 1000 by volume of solution in ml. So molarity is how much? 0.1. Substitute here. Weight of solute we can find out by molecular weight of solute 40 grams into 1000 by volume of solution 1000 by 100. 20 cancel. This 0 cancel. How much here? 0.1 by weight of solute by 4. Now we have to do the cross multiplication here. Weight of NaOH is equal to 0.1 into 4, that is 0.4 grams. So 0.4 grams of NaOH is required to prepare the 0.1 molarity NaOH solution in 100 ml of distilled waters. So this much of weight of solute is required to prepare the NaOH, to prepare 0.1 molarity of NaOH solution in 100 ml distilled waters. Are you understand, boys? Okay.